Hi guys, it's Simon C. Welcome to this new AI radar. Today I have for you the news about artificial intelligence for science. A team of scientists at Freie University of Berlin has developed an artificial intelligence method that provides a fundamentally new solution of the sampling problem in statistical physics. The sampling problem is that important properties of materials and molecules can practically not be computed by directly simulating the motion of atoms in the computer because the required computational capacities are too vast even for supercomputers. The team developed a deep learning method that speeds up these calculations massively, making them feasible for previously intractable applications. The AI method of the Berlinese team is a completely new approach towards the sampling problem. Instead of simulating the motion of molecules in little steps, we find the high probability structures directly and leave the much larger number of low probability structures behind. After that, the calculations are very cheap, explains Professor Noe of the University of Berlin. AI methods are key for this approach to work. Technology Reviews Karen Hale reports that researchers at Oxford have developed a new deep learning algorithm for chimpanzee face recognition and gender classification. Animal researchers often rely on video footage to track the behaviors of the population they study over time, but sorting through the vast amounts of data is tedious and time-consuming, and manual labeling can be inaccurate. Using roughly 50 hours of footage taken over 14 years, the scientists extracted 10 million face images of 23 chimps and fed them into a deep neural network. The resulting model was able to identify individuals with up to 93% accuracy and classify their sex correctly up to 96% of the time. In a comparison test, the model also performed twice as well as expert humans labelers given nearly an hour to complete the task, and 4 times better than novices given nearly 2 hours. The model, in contrast, took a fraction of a second. The researchers then used the model to analyze the social interactions of a population of chimps. The model revealed that the mother and infant spend the most time together, a finding that correctly aligns with understood patterns of behavior. Quantum Magazine's contributor John Pavlos reports that Greg Johnson, computer vision scientist at the Allen Institute for Cell Science, is building systems that can recognize organelles on site and show the dynamics of living cells more clearly than microscopy can. To view the inner workings of living cells, biologists currently use a combination of generic engineering and advanced optical microscopy. Using fluorescence imaging samples, Johnson and his collaborator at the Allen Institute trained a deep learning system to recognize over a dozen kinds of subcellular structures until it could spot them in cells that the software hadn't seen before. Once trained, Johnson's system also worked with bright field images of cells, images easily obtained with ordinary light microscopes through a process like shining a flashlight through the cells inside. Instead of performing expensive fluorescence imaging experiments, scientists can now use this label-free determination to efficiently assemble high-fidelity three-dimensional movies of the interiors of living cells. Okay guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. Remember to subscribe to my channel. See you the next time with AI Radar. Bye.